Hello guys, today I'm so excited to talk about something very interesting. This is one of the business that changed my life. This business can change the life of anyone. If you've been struggling to make money online or to make money in a business that doesn't work, you are in a good place because I'm gonna reveal to you this business model that changed life of a lot of black people, a lot of black African, a lot of Caribbean guys like me, and a lot of new people join every single day. Today we're gonna talk about pay per call. This is a business model where you just make people grab the phone, and when they make a phone call, you make money. So they just have to call in a phone number to ask for a service. And when they grab the phone, they make from 1 minute up to 2 minutes over the phone. You make from $40 up to $100 per phone call. So before I started to explain everything to you, let me show you who I am, the person on the camera, who I am. I'm princeherly.sylvester. I've been in the make money online niche, the world of affiliate marketing for over 10 years. I've been making thousands of dollars online. But most importantly, the business that changed my life and the make money online is the pay per call. It's one of the sub niche of the affiliate marketing. So instead of going to take any random product and promote them, try to convince someone to buy, this business is easy. So today we're gonna see 4 steps in this business. The first step will be, what is pay per call? Explain it to you why you're supposed to join a business like this. Secondly, we're gonna talk about the different pay per call business model. And thirdly, we're gonna talk about the type of network that offer pay per call affiliate programs so you can join them. And to finish today, we're gonna show you where to find offers that gonna convert, offers that gonna bring you money in this business. So as I explained, make money with pay per call is easy if you follow all the things I'm gonna say you in this video. So the first thing we have to do, you're gonna have to grab your notebook. You're gonna need a phone with connection, with internet connection, and you're gonna need an upfront investment just to start. Because this business, to start, you're gonna lose some money when you first start, because you will have some data, and this data will help you to make your money back and double what you already invested. So as I said, pay per call is a business model where you make someone grab the phone number. Let's say, for example, that's my phone. You make me grab this phone to call for a service. The company that I'm gonna call pay you to make me call them. So whenever I place a phone call over 1 minute, 2 minutes, you make money. This is the type of business that I'm gonna talk about. So if you wanna make money with this business, the only thing you will have to do, you will have to have a good internet connection, because you will have to run ads on Google, and you will use some social media like TikTok, Facebook. And not for today, I'm not gonna explain how to use all these platforms, but I will give you the basic. So the first thing that we're gonna see today, what is pay per call? As I'm explaining, it's a business model where some companies, they need clients. They don't need people to buy. They have a service, they need people to call, show interest in the product. So your job will be to make these people call. They're gonna give you some guideline where to find these people and the type of people they need, the city, the state, the demographics, and everything about the person that they want to call them. So your job will be, you will have to create an ad using Google ads or Facebook ads or any places that gonna bring you traffic to make these people call the phone number. So they're gonna call for a service like carpenter, someone need a carpenter, someone need a plumber, electrician, someone need HVAC services, someone would need help with pest control services, things like that. Someone need moving, want people to move them from a place to another place. There are services like that. Someone who are struggling with problem related to debt, credit card debt, and all the other problems like debt relief, debt consolidation, people who need help with this type of thing. So your job will be to find these people and they grab the phone to call and the phone number that they're gonna give you. So let's jump on my computer. I'm gonna show you some network that gonna give you this opportunity to join and start making money. So we're gonna go dive in on my computer right now and I'm gonna show you. So let's see together with me on my computer. So one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to this website named Offer Vault. This website is a website where you can find offers related to pay-per-call. If you are new to pay-per-call, this is one of the best business models. A lot of people are making thousands of dollars doing this. It's simple and easy. The only thing you have to do is to follow all the steps that I'm gonna give you. And you can just learn by yourself. Go on YouTube, watch video about pay-per-call to know how you can start making your first $1,000 per week with this business model. So now I'm on Offer Vault. So I'm gonna type pay-per-call. I'm gonna type pay-per-call. Okay. So Offer Vault is a place where you can find affiliate network to join in any type of business. But mostly I use it for pay-per-call to find companies that are looking for people to promote the offer and gonna pay me when I make people grab the phone number and place a phone call with them. So this is what I'm gonna do right now on this video. So you can see I type pay-per-call. So you see this is company ready to pay you. This company, it's a lawyer company. It's like in the legal vertical. So they are ready to pay up to $1,000 for one phone call. The name of the network to join is Palo Alto. Palo is one of the network you can join. So when you click, you see I click on Palo just to join Palo. So I click on this and I'm gonna join. When you join, you will see a bunch of offers that they have and they will tell you, they will explain how to promote, what type of people, what ages, what demographic, what gender that they want. So your job will be to find exactly these people as they want. And once these people place a phone call, you make money. You see, this offer is no longer valid from Palo Alto. So I have to go back again on Offer Vault. So let's see another one. Okay, I see this one, motor vehicle accident. Okay. With Offer Globe. Offer Globe is the second one. So this one will pay $900 just to bring a client. Just imagine, you can bring someone, $900 gonna be yours. So that person doesn't have to buy nothing. They just have to grab the phone and place a phone call. Whenever someone on the line answer, what I like with this company, they just record everything, the conversation of the client and everything. So you can be sure that they call and what they said or what they have been been looking for over the phone and what type of conversation that they have, and you will make sure that you bring people that want to have this service, so you get paid. So if I go to Offer Globe to see the offer, so you will become like an affiliate for them. You can see that the page, so you can become an affiliate for this company. So you just join this form. So it's easy and simple. Join them and they may ask you some proof. I don't know, try to convince them as you can to make them accept you. So there is you can see other company like Addiction Marketing and all this company. Okay, so that's the first step. The second step on this video. So I explain you what is pay-per-call and places to find this type of offers, business, but I can give you some example of offers that works right now. So if you go, you still stay on Offer Vault, okay? So one thing I can do, I can type things like pest control, or I can type something like iMoving or debt consolidation, things like that. So I can find something related. You can see this company ready to pay $20 for per phone calls. Okay, their name is Astoria Company. The company will pay you to make people call people who need help with pest control services, bed bugs, flies, mosquitoes, and all these things. Someone calling to find services related to this. So you get $20 every time someone places a phone call. So if I click on the offer, just to show you, you can see $20 per lead. Okay, so it's home services. The type of verticals is home services, and the type of affiliate vertical is pay-per-call. So you see, this company, you can just click on one offer and you can start running the offer. Just to show you how simple and easy it is to join this type of companies and start making money. So the video today was to show you how you can start making money with this business named pay-per-call. If you need in-depth training, I have a training. The link is on the description, where I show you step by step on how to start this business and how to start making money. So please forgive me for my English. I'm not a native American. I just learn English and try to do my best to explain you step by step how to make this type of money. Not every time you're gonna find information from people in your home country or in your native country. Sometimes you can learn from someone who does speak French, who does speak English, who does speak Spanish, but they explain you something that can change your life. Click on the link you see on the description to join my training, $99 per month. Okay, but if you want me personally to coach you one-on-one, me and you, it's very expensive. So you will see my Skype. Just send me a text on Skype. I'm gonna be the one that's gonna take you by the hand to help you make this first $1,000 per week. Thank you for watching. Make sure to share with your friend. Don't forget, it's always your friend Vano. Bye bye.